Uh, Good afternoon. So here is our idea we built for the Archway Hackathon. I'm Mary Siki, aka Build with MC, building from Nigeria, Africa, West Africa to be precise. So we actually built some things called PeerLoans. So now looking at what the current African market is for finances and how the economy is dwindling for one side to another, we actually look to actually use Web3 and specifically Archway, the Archway ecosystem to actually bolster this looming market. So it means that what we actually created a peer-to-peer system where Nigerians, Africans themselves can actually finance themselves, and not just Africans, even people abroad and diaspora can actually finance themselves in a way easier light without having to even know that they're actually using Web3. So why is that important, right? Because Web3 has been able has I've seen Web3 has a power to transform market, has a power to transform a different lights of things, and especially now when you have what for Archway, where Archway is actually promoting the way and changing the way things are built, the apps are built, and the way people are included in the space. So in particular, to support that, we actually looked at what best to build. So we built actually this peer-to-peer learning system, which enables that with or without the knowledge of the users, they actually what get access to actually financing. So financing for their business and the rest. And then we are not just giving them like cash out there for anything, but now with the peer-to-peer system, whether sponsored by a normal African or by someone in diaspora, it actually ensures that we are actually providing that what the loans are one decentralized, so they are not biased, whether by person, business, or race. The loans are what accessible, right? So, or two or more people are able to what access this loan, irrespective of your what financial capacity, because everyone needs help at the time, or everyone may need access to do it get these things to actually get let's say like illustration we get on this document, whether it be a farmer that just wants to buy seed or a small business owner that just wants to expand his shop or that wants to buy some goods, that's also there. Then we also give also have transparency and security, where we have actually tied our KYC system to the Arch ID. So the Arch ID being after the KYC process without storing the data of the users, being a way that we can actually critically um, capture user data and actually embed it on the HID NFT or the HID itself, and use that as the representative of the person, showing that one, the person is trustworthy and the person has what it takes to actually do what is needed, right? So from there we have what we call inclusivity. So our platform doesn't require any like a need of traditional and credit scoring system, right? Because even with that, the traditional credit currency systems largely lacked in Africa. So in order to like move forward, we have actually done like a combination of this ID verification, community, and the rest, and to actually evaluate how these loans are given. So for every loan, for every credit you're given, for everything you're giving out to the community, you're able to see, okay, how trustworthy is this person, what's their score, how likely is this person likely to repay, and different things before you get to approve, right? Because now what we have to make it is that it's a peer to peer. So it takes a person to loan to another person, and that's how it works. It works on the basis of trust. So on this four major principle and based on building on the attributes, what allowed us to actually build as this platform, right? Because we have actually done our financial analysis and checked out the limitations, which you can actually check out in our white paper. So this is our white paper. It's actually attached to our submissions on the Dora Hack. It's actually very attached to our submissions on the Dora Hack platform. On the Akwe on the Akwe hackathon section, so you could go there, check out your call pair loans. You can try to check out how everything runs. Then we now also have the core of everything we are building, from how we integrated the Archway technology to the NFT bounding system to empowering our users, right? So we also have different things like different features like flexible loan repayments and terms, competitive rates, interest rates, peer-to-peer lending system, simple and direct. There's no like no let's say extra bogus or anything. So it means whether you're native African or you're in the diaspora, you can actually help out. You can actually put your cash and actually get them to actually earn yields for you, right? Then we also have things like enhanced security and also building a financial inclusive future for Africa and the world using the Archway model. So we actually have our business model totally written out here, so you're able to check out how we're actually doing this thing. So this is just what I just scribbled here. So just like to give you like a little nuance of what you are doing for the app. So what we're actually doing is that we use HJS to actually do our contract calls to call the different contracts, and then we are using the CW plus specs to actually account for what loans and loan its their proposals. We are using the C3 proposal. We are using C3 smart contract. We are using the C20 escrow contract to actually hold funds, so in the way that the person is able before they can use the system to make their deposit and before the person can take out cash, they make their little collateral. So different things, and then we're enabling fully utilizing the Arch ID and fully utilizing the Kepler integration for Wallet Connect. So finally, them just go through what I've currently built. So because we're currently building that out now. So yes, so this is currently how it looks. I'm going to connect my wallet, and I'm connecting my wallet now. So I've connected my wallet and I've seen different loans. So now loan disbursements, these are like people that okay have cash and they're looking for okay who is willing to actually get these loans. Hi, I have this my cash. So who are you willing? What do you, how much do you want? These are the different assets that I want to disburse and different things, right? And then we have loan requests. So these are people that actually okay, I have this need for my business. Probably I'm the farmer that wants to plant seed for different planting season. I learned about your platform. I've done the KYC. I've passed it because before you can do anything here, you have to get the Kepler wallets. You guys get an Arch ID wallet. You have to get a wallet basically that's compatible with the Arch ID, the Archway ecosystem. Then from there, you're able to what do your KYC joining. So by the time you're done with all those process, this is where you'll be going. This is where you'll be seeing. So you see the amount the people are willing to disperse and the rest. So apologies for this wrinkleberry loan and the rest. This is just the name of how the person tends to term the loans, and from there, this is just that. So let's just create a simple loan proposal. So basically, you put your loan title, your description, put in the type. Are you disbursing? Are you the one giving the cash, or are you the one actually doing that? So by the time you're done filling that, my name is Beauty MC. Will I see loan for farmers? Okay, for farmers, okay. And I'm disbursing this loan and putting I'm giving away 2k USD or Arch 2k USD Arch different things or 2 day USDC. So different things, and I put my name MC once more and actually submit. Oh, it's not going through. I probably sort that out as it go, but that's just basically that. Then again, you can also view your account here. On view your account, when we fully build it out, you should be able to like see different things like your KYC status. As your KYC status, you should see your different things, right? You should see your name, your portfolio, and different things. Your socials. You can also bind your socials. So, oh, I give out loan on peer loans. Come get loans at an affordable rate. So you're able to like to make full social impact of if you're a movement, if you're this, you're able to have that here. And here your Arch ID is also meant to show. Your Arch ID details is also meant to show. So with that, you're effectively doing everything you need to do in due time, right? So apart from that, this is just how our the app looks on the low level. But you can actually read more on our white paper and do everything. Check out our financials. I would think I'll be updating our tech stack by this time. But apart from that, you're able to just get through the platform, understand what we are building, how we are building it, and dig in. Right. Also, be attaching this video as you're watching it on the white paper. So you'll be able to So you'll be able to actually partake and like understand more of everything. So thank you very much for your time. I mean, Mitch, kind of CK, build an MC, and thank you for having our submission actually.